What is up, guys? This is KOJOFOREX aka GPP Emperor. Today I have the beginner session that is running right. You guys know that we have opened the KOJOFOREX Academy app and then we are inviting you all to come and learn how to trade professionally and properly. So today we are having our first beginner session. So it's not only a beginner session, it's a beginner and intermediate session teaching you all you need to know as a trader before you even get started, and then teaching you a beginner strategy that is just going to smoothen your learning curve along the line as well. So along the line I'm going to show you what the student learned and their independent reviews as well. It's a very tricky one with a bid ask thing, because you usually find them in the trading platform moving together, right? Now you see the way I just use this to represent the scale, right? Okay, I have a red and blue here. I'll use the blue to represent the bid, right? And then the red to represent the ask. So let's say we have here bid, right? At the same time, you have the small line next to it. That's the ask, right? That's how it shows in the trading platform. Have you noticed? Yes. In your MT4, unless you've never opened MT4, then you know. But even when you open it, today, you still see these two things I'm talking about. They are very tight, moving together, right? The closeness of it, right? Let me just put it in this way. The more closer it is, the better. Because the wider it is, the huge spread you are paying. Because the difference between the red and then the blue in terms of pip is how much you are paying for that trade. I don't know if you understand what I mean, or it's confusing. It's confusing. It's confusing. Let me take it again. You see that everything here represents the prices, and one price difference, one price to another point represents the pip, right? One price from here to here represents pip, right? So here to here we are saying it could sometimes be, let's say, 100 pip, 150. We are using our own scenarios, right? But practically on the chart, right, some movement from here to here, right, could literally be 3 pips. But when you place the trade, let's say buy or sell, what will you go for? Buy. Well, you place buy and then you click buy, boom, you're going to see these two lines appear there, boom, together. You see it tomorrow on the chart. Here, we are just using it to understand. But I don't know if you understand what I mean. The moment you place buy, you're going to see boom, these two lines will appear, and then your buy will be at the right corner, buy. Right? With your lot size. Okay, he plays 0.1, right? But that 0.1 that you place, I'm saying that, for instance, from here to here represent 3 pips, right? It means that before your trade started, you paid $3 to the broker as spread. That's why nobody starts a trade with profit. You understand me? Yeah. You ask yourself, I just placed the trade is in red. Why? Yeah. Because you have to pay the spread first. So imagine that you are using a platform that has 3 pips, and I'm using a platform that has the same 1 pip. We start the trade, you are in loss of $3. I'll be in a loss of what?
$1. With the same lot size.
With the same lot size. That's right. With the same lot size. I don't think you understand it. And it does not matter whether it's buy or sell, right? But now let me come to how do you pay the spread charge, right? There's a technical way to it, but most people don't, even experienced traders don't know it. How do you pay the spread charge? If you place a sell, it will place on the red one. That means the blue one. Yeah.
So somebody's car, they need to move it. Anyone here with the Range Rover? Please.
So I should wait for you.
Oh no.
But I don't know if you understand the question. If you place a sell, it will place on the red one, right? All these are part of the reasons why indirectly I'll recommend my recommended broker, what? Xness. Because I went through hell before I started using them anyway. And apart from that too, they also helped me hack a code generally in trading. Now I think other brokers have picked that up, but they didn't have like mobile money deposit and withdrawal. Yes, it's very direct. And at the same time too, no broker was pretty much allowing you to trade in the CDs. Not like CD Ghana CDs, but you see your account value in CDs. So if it's 5,000 Ghana, I know that 5,000 Ghana. Into me make it 250 Ghana CD. I mean, I got some papa edi. It is not $2. I'll say really small. I don't know if you understand me. So that was why I was preferably using them, right? The history with me and them is that an era of my journey where I was crazy broke. I took a 3,000 Ghana cedis because account was in Ghana cedis to well over 20,000 and to 50,000 and to 100,000 and so on and so forth because I could value the money truly, But yeah, that's just part of the process as well. So yeah, this brings us to the end of today's lesson. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was very clear. So within a short minute, he's clapping. Do me the honest. Do me the honest. I'm actually proud of you because you are the people that are opening this session. Look, history has been made with you guys, right? Like you are the first people that have stepped foot. We didn't even do opening for people to come and look through and say, I said, I don't do that. I said, the first people that will come are people that want to learn, want to learn. And yeah, I'll be the one in charge to teach them. Yeah, so since we've been able to capture all that, we're just going to go around briefly, just take your few seconds, maybe 10 seconds, 15 seconds, and appreciate, what's the name? What you learned today, right? In a few words, right? It don't have to be any long one. So before you guys take your leave, actually, right? But we are done from here, but before you take your leave.
All right, so I really appreciate what I've learned today because I was a novice in this Forex trading, and by virtue of me being here, I've been able to learn quite a lot of the basics. Then I learned about the New York market as well, that of the Tokyo, but they operate in the 8-hour kind of like normal operations. Just that there's an overlap where probably one market opens, then another market also follows, so they don't just close.
I've gained a lot, honestly, because I've gone through some online materials learning, but I didn't get the deep understanding what I've Perfect. So I'm very grateful for that. Thank you very much.
Today's lesson, the theory, it was very perfect. Things were run smoothly.
Yeah.
Each and every section, we understand it word, and we are looking out for tomorrow's section.
I like today's lesson very well because I really understood anything that you said, how you taught and how you were teaching. You explained things very clearly, and then I understand because I have no knowledge about it, but I have knowledge now that I know that I can confidently say that I can move on. I can do exactly what that.
Mine was more about the leverage, and the leverage. You did explain it very well. So I think I'm much more enlightened about it. Thank you very much.
Well, I would say KOJOFOREX is a great lecturer, not just a teacher, a lecturer. It's like he has all the course of Forex in his head. And it's great when you have a good teacher. Like they say that the height that you achieve is based on the shoulders of those that you stand. And I think KOJOFOREX is a great shoulder, and Africa is yet to experience it. Thank you very much for this session.
I'm very happy to meet KOJOFOREX. I've been watching him online since August, and I'm very happy. I've gotten the basics very well.
Yeah, guys, so there you have it. Students came in, they were taught thoroughly by the master trader himself, myself. So yeah, subsequently, if you find this opportunity out there, you don't really want to miss it. I told you guys that next week we're starting the advanced lesson, which is the sniper entry session as well, which is thoroughly advanced stuff, teaching you all the crazy stuff that I learned along my journey as a trader. And it's going to be a 1 week thorough lessons, right? We're going to start from Monday and end Friday, and it's going to be a recurring thing. So if you miss next week, so don't think that's the end of the game, because we set up this academy to actually accommodate traders every single day in and out. So if you want to register for any training session with us, you have to register through the website, which is KOJOFOREX.com. The link is in the description below. Once you register, a member of the team is going to give you a call and confirm your registration and give you directional assistance to the office as well if you need that. So follow me on all social media if you haven't done that already at KOJOFOREX, and click in the link in the description to join the KOJOFOREX Telegram community. I give out free trade signals to my community members every day in and out. And smash the like button and subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.